Namaskaram. Today I'm going to discuss about a topic. Can we dance during our periods? Some of you must be embarrassed to hear this from a dance teacher, but it is very natural, or I feel it is very important to discuss about this, and I feel it's my duty and my responsibility to reach out to those dancers who have this doubt. One day, a mother of my student called me over the phone to inform me that her daughter will not be attending her dance class as she got her periods that morning. In fact, she was very hesitant to ask and was not sure whether her daughter will be allowed to dance in the dance class. It was only then that I understood and I realized that I have to explain this to all those mothers or dancers who have the doubt whether it is right or wrong. What is right? To stay away from dance class during your periods? Or what is wrong? To get your period cycle every month? This is something very natural which is given by the God. In fact, it is a blessing for all the girls. During the ancient times, centuries ago, dance classes used to happen inside the temple or in the mandapam of the temple or in the outer prakaram of the temple. So women or ladies used to avoid going for dance classes to the temple. I think that could have been the reason. And another reason could have been that women used to take rest during their period cycle. They were not allowed to do heavy work at home because of health reasons like cramps or headache or fatigue, or they used to feel weak during their period cycle. And in fact, they had very poor sanitation methods too. But in modern times, the girls of this generation are very good at handling the sanitary pads or tampons that are available today, unlike the cotton cloth that they used during those ancient times. To manage the cramps or headache, doctors prescribe very safe painkillers nowadays, which can be used during the period cycle and help overcome any physical discomfort. So, to the question whether you can dance or not during your period cycle, the answer is definitely a big yes. Every individual is different, so please suit yourself. Do some abhinaya items like padams instead of heavy nrita pieces like varnam or tilana. In fact, during the period cycle, girls and women undergo a lot of hormonal fluctuations, and they tend to have mood swings. But for dancers, dancing is a blessing to overcome such mood swings. There are at times when I personally faced such problems, or in fact, I had kacheris during my periods. Imagine a situation where the program date is fixed, the entire orchestra team is ready on stage, the stage decor, everything is set up. Friends you have invited are waiting for your performance. The video man, the cameraman, everyone are ready and everything is set up. And suddenly the dancer gets her periods. Is it practically possible to cancel the program? I think for a professional dancer, this is very, very normal. Like doctors and nurse, how they go to hospital during their periods for their work, or school teachers, or even desktop office going women go to their office is normal during their periods. It is very normal for a professional dancer to give her performance during her periods. According to me, dance is worship, and I respect the gunguru or the chalanga that I tie on my ankles. Every time I tie the chalanga on my ankles, I close my eyes, I think of my gurus, I thank them, and I place the ankles on my eyes and then only I tie the chalanga on my ankles. Great gurus and in fact elders in my family, they always tell me to chant the Lord's name, Rama, Om Namah Shivaya or Narayana. You don't need to even take your regular bath. You can chant the Lord's name sitting or standing or even lying on the bed. To me, dance is one such kind of a worship.
Bharatanatyam dance has crossed borders of India and is receiving overwhelming responses internationally. It is now looked upon as an entertainment and respected as an aesthetic classical art form. Renowned dancers from India has taken this art form from temples to sabhas, dance theatre, world dance festivals, films and prestigious public and royal events. It has also become a profession for many to earn for their livelihood and has become a way of life. At this point, one has to stop and think how to evolve to the current change in scenario. There must be a solution for every problem or difficulty. I request Bharatanatyam dancers to avoid performing in temples and other holy places as a respect to Hindu tradition and beliefs. Plan your program dates keeping in mind your dates of period cycle. Occasionally, dancers can take pills to postpone the periods by a few days with the help of doctor's advice.
Bharatanatyam is a power, or it gives so much of positive energy to your body, mind, and your soul. We all know that change is the only thing that is constant. Did we ever imagine of recorded music instead of live orchestra for kacheris before this pandemic? Did we ever think of online virtual programs or classes before this pandemic? So we evolve as and when the change compels us. So never stop dancing. Dance the dance to your heart's content. Thank you.